Good morning guys and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a treat and a rinse. We have this lovely property here to clean today. We have a little walk around. You can see that the paving is in some need of a clean. Visually it doesn't actually look too bad until you see the end video. You see there's actually a massive difference. There's a very thin layer of algae growing on it. A slight discoloration. If you hadn't seen the after photo you wouldn't know the difference. The lady first called us out, or has called us out, because it's slippy underfoot. That's the main reason for the clean. As you can see, as you walk around now, there's some spots that are worse than others, and it's a bit like black ice as you're walking around. There's some really slippy spots, some not so slippy spots. So just to get a bit of consistency underfoot, she has to come in, give it a clean, give it a freshen up, make it safe to walk on so that you can enjoy the garden during the winter months. As you can see, she's got a very well established garden, lots of lovely potted plants. We'll get these moved out the way. From what we can move, some of them are already big, so heavy, but we can move the majority of them. Once they're out of the way, get on with the clean. Let's get started. Right guys, this job is now complete. As you can see from the after photo, it looked loads better. Sadly I didn't take a before photo, I was too concerned on getting the walk around video at the beginning, but as you can see from both the videos, the paving, the stone has come up really nice. It's much better to look at, much cleaner, much fresher, all restored back to its original colours. As you can see where there was some troublesome spots now, much more consistent throughout, all nice and clean, no more slippy spots, no more black ice feeling, no more sudden dangers to be concerned with, just much nicer all round, so this garden can be enjoyed during the winter months. In this corner that we looked at earlier, which was very bad, all the algae is gone, all the growths are gone. We've got a lovely review from this customer also, so again thank you for that, much appreciated. Again guys, if you need to contact us, our details are here. Remember to click the links to watch our videos. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next job.